Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy stir-fry octopus. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh octopus, which is key for a tender dish. For the spicy kick, we'll use gochujang and gochugaru. Don't forget aromatics like garlic and ginger, plus fresh vegetables such as onions, bell peppers, and carrots to complete this vibrant meal. Get ready for a delicious culinary adventure. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the octopus, making sure to remove the eyes and beak. This ensures a pleasant eating experience. Next, blanch the octopus in boiling water for just 30 seconds. This quick dip helps tenderize it without overcooking. Finally, cut the blanched octopus into manageable, bite-sized pieces, ready for the stir-fry. Proper preparation makes all the difference. With our octopus prepped, it's time for the stir-fry magic. Heat your wok or large pan to a high temperature. This is crucial for that authentic stir-fry texture. Add a tablespoon of oil, then quickly sauté your aromatics like minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add the octopus and vegetables, stir-frying rapidly for only 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, toss everything with your prepared spicy sauce until it's beautifully coated and sizzling. Speed is key here. Your delicious spicy stir-fry octopus is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy white rice or your favorite noodles for a truly satisfying meal. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and freshly chopped green onions. This adds both flavor and visual appeal. And hey, if you're looking for more culinary inspiration or just a great read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy cooking and happy reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.